Hi, hello everybody and professor and students. So I would like to call myself Pierre. So I'm glad for this opportunity to share with you. As the Deputy of Governor has shared with you, so at least you would see the pictures to get ready from our PEA. So as the distributions section, as the EGAT, we would like to collaborate ecosystem and we like to share how we take part in. I'd like to inform you that we have the interpreter in working in another room, so we would like you to slow down. Can you see this screen? Hello, all the audience. I am an engineer. I'm working in the business development division. I am in the so I would like to share our responsibility of back end. We take care of our clients and we try to solve bring solutions. So we are directly under the governor, and we would like to promote ecosystem to grow rapidly. And we would like to promote EV users and EV ecosystem. I would like to articulate how we support EV. For the bus is to pick up and send the staff so that we could learn. We also have the electric boats so that we could study about the behavior of the electric boat. We also promote electric motorcycles. We also have the project to allow the motorcycle driver to use. This is 100% electric motorcycle, and they are working around Bang Kroi area. For the charger, we try to develop the charger as the service provider. DC boot, we still rely on the foreign technology. This is our goal. To provide this kind of service and also to develop the charger. And so we would like to talk about the electric business. There are 4 products. The first one is the application that used with the station named Alexa. The second one is the station Elect by EGAT, that's the name. and the management system behind the house is the charging operator management back end, and the last is the charger solution. For the one who's interested, they can contact us. Roughly, EGAT is the producer, but we are now in EV business. How they are related? The first one, we have station, charging station. Once the client need to use the charging station, the user will use the station through the application. They can pay to order the charge, stop the charge through the application, and this system is going through the back end, and this network operation will send the command to ELEX, and the system will conclude the units. The application is a pass point for the users, for EV users. The platform behind is talking to the chargers. EGAT has different technologies, and we choose because the massive growth, so we choose different technology for home users. And we have the wall box chargers from Spain with a beautiful design and small size. So that's why this become very popular. And this part is to fulfill EV users and the entrepreneurs, the one who's interested, who want to and this is the trade of the normal charger for AC system, and this is wall box. This is DC quick charge, name Supernova model. It's 60 kilowatt. Is able to update up to 100 kilowatts. To choose the container and the charger, we need to consider as a user and provider. The EV charging station business with the brand Elect by EGAT. So we collaborate with PT and with other parties. We have more than 50 stations. This is the real stations as you see in the gas station. This is at PTT gas station. This is our clients' vehicles. And this is another news station that we collaborate with the MEDMS hospital. So we can picturize that it not only could be in the gas station, but it could be in the mall, in the restaurants locations. It depends on the client's or user's behavior. Anywhere the users go, that station would be there. Like this is the how it looks, and the future trends would not be only in the gas station, but it's also in the department, and it's also our strategies to locate the stations. And we also have to consider the traffic, because it's also to be calculated to invest. So we would know how many clients would use our stations. So we have to invest, and we need to think about the worth of money back. And
here are the example of the quick charge at the PTT station. We're trying to look into the traffic, the possibility of setting the charging station. At the moment, we have 51 stations at 51 locations, 139 chargers with the charge heads. Now we're trying to look into the EV charging mobile application with the ELSA. EGAT, we call it Alexa. We're using Touch Your EV customers. The main mobile application features first is the real-time status. We have to find it shows whether it's available, it's busy, or it's out of service. There's a reservation as well, so the customer can look. And also we also support the exclusive customers. However, we also the multiple payment system support. We have different types of payment methods. For example, we can use credit card, the QR code, the mobile banking. We also look into customer service support. We have 24/7 customer support available, and the CRM platform support as well. Here are the features. What happens if you go into the charging station? There will be the application. There will be steps available. Everything is done via application, so you don't need human resources at all. Everything is used via application. It's very easy to use. Everything is self-service. There's steps and available. It will show you how much you have to pay, and many payment available method, as I said before. You can look at the transactions as well. You can look at the history of in the past, whether what time, where, and how many unit you use. It's very easy. Now we look into the charging method operation. We look at the back end. Back end is the EV charging network platform for Thailand. EV charging network operator, we have real-time monitoring and remote management. Look at the pricing management. We look at the charging analysis and report. We look into the technical diagnostic and see what happened. It's 24/7 service. We have professional support people available. Everything is based on back-end application. We have these two monitoring. We can look at the report through this application as well. We're trying to configuration the technical enterprise to make sure that any improvement of the charging system experience. We try to find if there are any problem issues, we try to find a solution for it with the charging station.
So we have the brand from China, so we need to develop the platform to handle the charger to come in our country. Backend doesn't serve only the EGAT station, but backend is open for the owner of the station as well. But lack of the payment system and management system. So they can join our platform. We join and collaborate with Chiang Mai University. They use our platform. And their application would be in Alexa application. The owner of the stations could see their sales and their system. And this is the golf club. They bought the charger. Basically, they use Tesla. They are the owner. And once people saw that they want to use, so they join our platform and collect the money. So the owner and entrepreneur are interested to use this platform. And the owner of the platform would see the informations. They would see the charge heads or the available of the charge heads. They can name the stations and the price through this back-end system. They could see the statistic of charging through this platform. It's important for the private provider to analyze the strategies, what times or period that the governor talk about the time, the period, and we can use this data to analyze the plan and the demand of electricity at the range of time. The owner could see the total monthly sales. Our system also will give the receipt tax invoice, and we can reset or remote this through the system. In case the users has no more battery, we can stop the remote for the client as well. So we have the communication system as well. Also, line notification is the assistant of the operator. So the charger probably have the emergency help, or probably there's the blackout. The charger could send the status to the station who in charge of the stations for the operator to be notified in case they are not in front of the applications. They can help on time. For different cases that the clients has been contacting us, especially the first time to use, how to pay, how to charge, or charging plan is the hit questions. Probably the client cannot charge. We will support them how. So whatever we can answer the clients, we will support. So we're almost done, and this is just a sample. And we provide the platform. We provide this kind of service, and some condo or the service apartment contact us to use this platform. And we also have the new business to serve the charger and use our platform. And this is the charger trend in different business location. This resort and at the cafe, they are interested to install the charger for their business. This is a sample for this hotel. Especially the hotel, there are more demand. And this is the clients that install at industrial areas. And this is to use as an internal, and this is the cell, and use this service for their staff. They can have the tax invoice, and this platform is affordable and is open platform for the investor of the charger. So if they invest with the station, they do not have to invest with the platform we already provided. And this is the picture as a whole for the EGAT EV business solutions. I'm sorry if I go too fast. I would like to share, I use EV as well. If you want to ask me outside of this training, I'm willing to answer all your questions. You can go to my Facebook, see EV channel. That's all for me. Thank you very much. Anyone has any questions? I would like to ask about the wall box charger. As you mentioned, you choose to import it from Spain. I would like to ask, in Thailand, is there any wall box production? If there is, why you choose from Spain? Yes, there are, and there are many sectors that try to produce it. But if we have the technology in our local area, we would like to choose because of the massive growth, we also trying to grow it faster. And it's not only the charger to use at the station for the public. It need to also handle the protocol charger that would related with the back-end system. So we need to also choose the charger that also go along with the system, like Wi-Fi, and we can put the SIM and LAN. And because of this technology, and at the same time the picture of the business, we need to expand the stations. So we need to use the foreign technology and learn how their technology can use. Our organization is trying to develop our charger, and it's like the electric equipment. In the future, we are willing to use our local technology. You can make a few more questions. I'm wondering, the charging service, it depends on the
Okay, my question to you is what happens if there's no internet or Wi-Fi connection at the time, because it seems that everything is based on application. So to answer that question, really for the service provider, we provide you with a charging port and you can pay us later on with a charging point. However, we're looking to invest the auto charge. That's something that we're looking to, is a new service that will happen in the future. That we will work with the PA voter. So for us, for Alexa, we have different type of features. So we have the back end as well. So you contact us, Alexa call center. We have the service provided to you, so don't need to worry about that. Thanks for your answer. Is there any more question? Okay, we have 1 minute left, so I'd like to thank Kun Surisa for her speech for today, so thanks very much. Oh, actually, I have one more question. How much will charge for one charge just approximately? For example, MG Aura, the battery charges around 40 points or let's say 50 points. If you home charge, it will be about 50 units. There will be 4 baht per 1 unit. However, if you charge outside at home, the charging rate is about 7 to 9 baht per unit. So for fully charged, it will be about 300 to 400 baht. Tesla or Porsche, the battery is higher battery, so therefore the price will be more expensive. It will be about 200 to 500 or 600 baht. Approximately around 400 to 500 baht per fully charged. Normally, all the customer would charge. They will not wait until the battery is finished and charge, but they will charge it regularly or quite frequently.